Fatura also.
Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress leader Mukul Sangma has said that the party will decide candidates for Shillong and Tura Lok Sabha seats at an appropriate time and forum. Dr. Sangma's statement assumes significance as his party has joined the newly formed INDIA or India Alliance recently. Asked about the INDIA alliance and if TMC as part of the alliance will have common candidates for the polls, Sangma clarified that political dynamics that would unfold ahead of the polls will determine the candidate selection.
Rather, what happens due to this political dynamic that's unfolding across the nation. In respect of the parliamentary election, the whole political dynamics that will unfold will be determined by as to what are the decisions that ultimately are finally taken collectively. We'll have to wait for that, because it will be very premature for us to presume and assume and just give you some kind of response which will be considered as on more of an anticipation, more of on presumption. So let's wait for the right time.